morning to all. Today the concept is distribution function. So it is also called to be a probability distribution function, and it can be written in the capital letters of PDF. That is the thing about probability distribution function. So first point, the probability P of x less than or equal to small x. Capital X represents the random variable, small x represents the elements present in the sample space. Is the probability of the event x less than or equal to small x. It is the number that depends on the x. So here what is the meaning of x? Capital X less than or equal to small x. Here the number of random variables should be less than or equal to number of elements present in the sample space. That is the meaning of P of x less than or equal to small x. We call this function are denoted by capital Fx of x. So probability distribution function, so mathematically it can be represented as f capital F x of x. The cumulative probability distribution function of a random variable x, it can be represented as fx of x is equal to probability of x less than or equal to small x. It represents as an equation number 1. We call fx of x as the distribution function of capital X. The argument small x is any real number ranging from minus infinity to infinity. Here the elements of the sample space can be defined so between the range of minus infinity to plus infinity. Expression for distribution function. So distribution function can be expressed in the form of discrete, in the form of continuous, in the form of mixed. So first one, discrete random variable. If capital X, so capital X represents the random variable. If capital X is a discrete random variable, the distribution function fx of x is a cumulative sum of all probabilities of capital X up to the value of small x. So cumulative means it is going to be combine all the sum of probabilities of a random variable up to the value of small x. Small x represents the elements in the sample space. As small x is a discrete, then fx of s must be a staircase form with step function. If the elements in a sample space is in the form of discrete manner, then automatically the distribution function will appear in the form of staircase or in the form of step function. The amplitude of step is equal to the probability of capital X at that small x value where the step occurs. So here the step function will be as the value of the elements present in the sample space. If the value of a random variable, that is capital X, are denoted by small xi, we must write fx of x as, so fx of x, so fx of x can be represented as a probability distribution function, that is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n probability of x equal to small xi u of x minus xi. So why they have taken u of x minus xi? Here if the elements are in the form of discrete, then automatically the distribution function will be represented in the form of step. So the step representation will be u of x minus xi, where u of x is the unit step function. It is defined as u of x is equal to 1 when x is x greater than or equal to 0 and 0 when x is less than 0. N may be infinite for some random variable. Here n may be infinite, actually it will be finite, but for some random variable it may be infinite. So we can represent So probability of xi is equal to probability of x equal to xi. So now equation 4, substitute equation 4 in equation 2 and we can write, so this equation 4 will be substituting here in equation 2. So by substituting you will be getting this one, fx of x is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n probability of xi into u of x minus xi. So this one defines a discrete random variable of the probability distribution function. So this is the plot of distribution function of a discrete random variable here. So by adding all these step functions or step values, so it will be equal to 1. So next one is continuous random variable. If capital X is a continuous random variable, the distribution function fx of x is an integration of all continuous probability of random variable up to the value of elements in a sample space, that is in small x. So here small f x of x be a probability function of capital X, a continuous random variable. The distribution function of x is given by fx of x is equal to integration from minus infinity to x fx of x into dx. So continuous in mathematical can be represented as an integration. So where small fx of x is called to be a density function, means here continuous is nothing but what it is going to be combined. It is going to be combine all the values. It is going to be combine all the values. So from where to where? From minus infinity to x. Therefore small fx of x is called to be a density function or probability density function, and it can be written in the short form with small letters of PDF. And it is a plot of distribution function of continuous random variable. So it is a continuous representation of a distribution function. Next one, mixed random variable. If capital X is a mixed random variable, then distribution function of fx of x is a combination of stair step form and continuous form. So mixed random variable is nothing but it is a combination of both continuous and discrete. So continuous representation will be in the continuous form and discrete representation will be in the form of step form. So plot of distribution function of mixed random variable. So here from here to here it is a continuous, and at this point so it is in the form of discrete, means step. Again from here it is a continuous, means it is the combination of both continuous and discrete. Okay, in this section so we have studied about the concept of a distribution function and also different mathematical representations of the distribution function in discrete and continuous. Thank you.